Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to go back on MKX. And today we're going to do some pack opening. Yes. We're going to do the NetherRealm pack. We're going to do the combo pack.
Challenge pack.
And the challenge pack. So, let's get to it. And I will do more gaming videos like this. So let's go to storage. First, let's buy our NetherRealm pack. Get Revenant Sub-Zero. Sub-Zero, his team gain 12% basic attack damage for every NetherRealm character on his team. Revenant Jax Briggs. Jax and his team gain 15 health for every NetherRealm character on his team. Warlock Quan Chi. Reanimates a dead teammate with 25% health on Sable once per fight. That's cool. Now, the challenge pack. I hope we get Jason and Aaron Black.
Oh.
On tag and Liu Kang receive a special increase 100% damage, basic damage, and 25% critical chance for 5 seconds. Ooh, we're gonna go for again. No, we're gonna go again.
Molina.
Again? Should we, guys? Or should we go for the combat pack? Let's go for the combat pack. Jason Voorhees. Armor 1. Kitana. Oh. All martial arts teammates start with 1 bar of power. Okay. 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 Ooh. That green thing around the card though. Okay, okay. Ooh. Okay.
I wanted that guy so
Start
bad.
with 1 bar of power for each Outlaw teammate. Oh, let's go. Alright. So let's go for the challenge pack again.
Ooh, she's a powerful dude.
Oh my god. Alright. So if you guys did really like this video, please